Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Powerfix drill stand. Includes bends vise with a quick clamping mechanism, VPA certified for precise drilling into wood, metal or plastic, ideal accessory to go with standard power drills, lockable depth stop with a practical drilling depth scale, robust and sturdy frame, adjustable depth stop for drilling depth of 0 to 60 millimeters. Nice box, you can see some pictures here and here. And let's open it to see what we have inside. Here we got this manual, and inside we got some screws. Let's open it. And an Allen key. And the manual, of course, if you want to read it, is your choice. We are going to make the installation. Nothing else included into the box. That is everything about. Let's starting by opening this. You can put this adjustable here. And let's turn it from the other side. And then you can take your own key and screw it. Then from the other side we've got here another Allen. Just unscrew that. And you can install that inside. Then you can just turn it around and tighten that screw. Nice. And you can see this goes around. You need to install that here. Nice. Then you need to screw that here. And you need to be straight in the middle. And then if you screw it, it's not going to go anywhere. And that's how we're going to work. And here there is a screw. If you unscrew it, you can work it. Or further down. And it will not go more. You can adjust that as much as you want to go. And here we got a ring for stopping the unit to go further down. And here we got the measurement from 0 to 60 millimeters. Here we are going to install our drill. It's very easy. Just slide it inside, and then we've got this screw. You can tighten it a little bit, not to go anywhere. Not too much, it's okay. And then you can see how it goes. You can drill whatever you want. Now, of course, for adjustments, you can put that all the way down. Then remove this screw, unscrew it a little bit, and it will fall down. And you can screw it again. And then here you can drill wherever it's suitable for you. More adjustments you can do from here, from the base. If you want to install a wood that is less thinner. And of course, if you want to be more steady, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes here, and you can screw it in your countertop, in your workspace, wherever is suitable for you. Here you can push this button and it will go all the way in or out, wherever you want to adjust it. And here we've got the position for your Allen key. And you're not going to lose it. And if it is difficult to move this around, you can lubricate this tube and it will help you. Now, let's say we need to drill this. I'm going to choose the right drilling bit and I'm going to install here. Got it? And then you need to make an alignment to go into the center of the hole that is got in the base. Try it for a while, installing the wood that we need to drill. And then you can drill. And voila. Same thing if you want to drill metal, that it will be more difficult, and we're going to try that. Just change your drilling bit. After you have changed your drilling bit, install your metal here. Maybe you want some lubricate and start drilling. And here you can see success. Well guys, what are you thinking about this drill stand? It costs only 20 euros. If you want to buy it, I think it's a great tool. You can leave down below to the comments what is your opinion about this tool. I think it's doing the great job. It can definitely drill the wood and the metal with no problem. It's a little bit frustrating to do some adjustments when you want to drill something, but what you can do if you don't have something else, or you don't want to buy some expensive drill stand, just buy that. It costs only 20 euros. Why not? And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who you need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.